Hello and welcome to our investor presentation. My name is Sohaib Shahid and I'll be presenting along with Michael Reka. We are the co-founders of the Green Gym Company and we're going to be presenting our business plan to you.
The need. There are two needs that Green Gym Company wishes to address with our product. First of all, one of the major expenses for gym owners is the cost of electricity. By reducing the cost of electricity, gym owners can maximize their profit. There is another need for the Canadian government to find alternative ways to generate electricity. One currently untapped resource in Canada is electricity that could be generated by gym members as they work out. The market for this type of energy is large, as there are over 10,000 gym locations across the nation, generating a revenue of over $2 billion.
The Green Gym Company will offer generators for a variety of different machines. Ellipticals and stationary bikes will be modified to use the existing resistance mechanisms for generators. Generators will be developed for weight machines such as cable crossover machines and lap pull-down machines to generate electricity as well. The overall goal of our products will be to minimize the production cost and installation cost. By doing so, we will keep our product affordable and increase our potential customer base. We will also offer a free tracking app that allows gym owners to monitor each generating machine individually. This way, they can monitor the results, monitor effectiveness, and optimize the usage for electrical savings. In the future, we may also provide other save on energy solutions for gyms. Our overall goal will be to develop two different types of generators. The first will use stationary bikes and ellipticals. These already have resistance mechanisms that use coils and magnets. Coils and magnets are the building blocks of generators and can be modified to generate electricity. The second type of generator will be for weight machines. The pre-manufactured generators will be retrofitted onto these machines and will use the potential energy of the falling and rising weights to generate electricity. The electricity will be fed back to a central inverter, which will then convert it into AC current and feed it back to the system. We will allow this to work on many different machines for us to maximize the results. We will also offer a free app to our clients. The purpose of this app will be to monitor each machine's electrical output and relay this information to the gym owners. This will allow them to see the total money that they've saved and estimate the payback period of their investment. It will also allow us to track their savings for billing purposes.
Current competition. Right now, there are no other Canadian companies with this kind of technology on the market. There are 3 companies in the United States, however, with similar technology that have started up in the last 5 years. As you can see from our product comparison matrix, Green Gym Company is comparable to these other 3 companies. While these 3 companies focus on cardio machines for energy generation, Green Gym Company wants to also incorporate this technology into free weight machines. Right now, ReRev and Green Revolution retrofit their technology onto existing gym equipment, while HenryWorks develops new equipment for electricity generation. For our company, we want to focus mainly on retrofitting our technology into existing gym equipment, but we do want to explore options for developing new equipment in the future. And the method of generation that we use is inverters, which is the same kind of technology that ReRev and Green Revolution use. However, HenryWorks has a special technology in which they're able to plug the machinery into the wall and directly send electricity into the grid. Something unique about our company is that we have a specially developed app which managers can use to monitor how much energy is being saved by this technology and to monitor their payback period. And the Green Gym Company will have a relatively low cost because we're retrofitting our technology into existing gym equipment. The business plan. Some key partnerships that we would like to establish are with current gym equipment manufacturers, and that is so that we can sell our technology to them and potentially expand into the new gym equipment market. We also want to form a partnership with a company that supplies plug-in technology, which is the same technology that HenryWorks uses in order to send electricity directly into the grid through wall outlets. Some resources that we need in order to be successful are team members with strong technical knowledge and business skills. We also need to have strong software skills in order to develop our tracking app. We will also be needing funding to get our business started, and if we can secure patents for new ways to generate electricity, that would help us to protect our proprietary technology. Some key activities that our company will be taking part in is raising the awareness of our company for first and foremost. We also want to constantly be researching and developing new ways to improve gym equipment and to reduce the cost for our implementation. We want to track the energy generated by the gym equipment on a regular basis, and we want to keep our software up to date, informative, and user friendly. The main target for our customer segments is commercial gym owners, and initially we want to focus on gyms that have a lot of cardio machinery as well as long hours of operation, because this will allow the gym owners to realize greater savings in energy. We will also look at possibility of selling our technology to manufacturers of gym equipment in order to get our technology into new gym equipment. We also are looking at the potential of expanding into personal home gyms and perhaps high-class gyms that athletes use. We want to have a good, strong relationship with our customers. For our company, we want to offer personal assistance to evaluate the gyms and offer suggestions on how they can modify the gym equipment within the client's budget. We also want to offer technical support for any technical problems with the equipment that they may face, or if they need help with software for the tracking app. We also want to continue this relationship with the client by informing them of any upgrades that we have to the technology, or if there's updated versions of the tracking app that they can download. Marketing and sales. Our biggest mode of promotion will be by word of mouth, and we will be visiting gym owners across the city in order to tell them about our company, our product line, and how we can help them to save in their energy costs. We will also be establishing social media accounts with Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, and the same kind of information will be available on these accounts. We want to develop our website as well, and in our website we will have information about the company, the team, the product line, as well as contact information. As our company develops further, we will also place advertisements online in newspapers and on local radio stations. When our product is proven and it works well, we will have public demonstrations in which people can come and see how the product works, find out more about Green Gym Company, and just to raise the awareness about our company and product line.
For our project, we broke it down into 6 different stepping stones. The first stepping stone would be to develop the design specs for our generator, make the prototype, and create an app. And lastly would be to integrate these two products and get them working together. We estimate that the cost of this will be around $2,800, and that's the amount we'd be looking for our seed financing. Stepping stone number 2 would be testing in the lab and then field testing with gyms as our partners. This would require a lot of resources and a lot of materials, therefore we'd be looking for financing around $10,000. Stepping stone number 3 would be to protect our products by filing for patents, refining the app, and then refining the generator so that they're ready for the market. We estimate that the financing here required would be around $3,000. Most of it would be for the legal fees. Stepping stone number 4 would be to obtain the first customers and then install and monitor the new commercial units with these customers. We would seek partners with local gyms and would require around $10,000 of financing, mostly to pay for the materials and installation process. Stepping stone number 5 would be to market the product locally and then optimize the organization. While doing so, we'd be looking for about $5,000 for financing, all of which would be applied to marketing. We hope that in this phase we're able to increase our customer base and obtain a lot of customers. Stepping stone 6 is for when we're financially viable and we want to expand to regional and national markets. We would require no external financing because the company should be up and running on its own at this point. In order to do our financial projections, we considered one large gym as our example case. We estimate that large gyms would have 75 to 100 machines where we could fit our equipment. This would include stationary bikes and ellipticals in the cardio area, stationary bikes in the group workout rooms, and weight machines all over the gym. Our initial estimate for the cost to build and install one unit is $80 right now. We'd be looking to charge customers $100 per unit based on this. Also, we would charge gyms 20% of their monthly savings for a predetermined period of time. Right now, we're looking at charging gyms these monthly fees for 5 to 7 months. The estimated initial cost for the gym to set this entire operation up will be around $10,000. That will be with 100 machines. Based on this, the estimated payback period for the gym is less than 7 years. Using this scenario, we considered 3 different cases: the worst case, the best case, and the expected case. For each one, we came up with the amount of gyms we would be able to acquire in that year and how much money we'd make based on this number. By doing so, in our best case scenario, we estimate to make about $593,000 of profit just in the third year alone. In the worst case, this could be anywhere from no money to $61,000 maximum. Our expected case should be around $250,000 of net profit in the third year. This is assuming that we're able to acquire 100 new customers that year. As mentioned, we're looking for about $2,800 for the seed financing. The main purpose of the seed financing would be for us to build and test our various prototypes. We will build systems initially for ellipticals and stationary bikes only and test the output and make sure that they meet our design specs. We will then look to develop generators for weight machines, test out their functionality in electrical production and their effect on the machine usage. Lastly, we'll be also looking to develop the app at the same time and try to integrate it into our products. Michael Reka is a co-founder of the Green Gym Company and is also the senior executive in charge of product feasibility and development. He will graduate in April 2014 with a degree in mechanical engineering and with an option in management sciences. Michael has technical knowledge of energy conversion, mechanical design, manufacturing, and electronics, and is very passionate about the environment. His past work experiences have given him strong knowledge of manufacturing, product testing, and development, and this will help us immensely in developing a working prototype. Sohaib Shahid is also a co-founder of the Green Gym Company, and he's a senior executive in charge of business planning. He's also the interim lead of marketing. He will also graduate in April 2020. A marketing lead would be required once we reach Stepping Stone 2. Sohaib has excellent technical knowledge in electrical energy conversion and mechanical design. He also has practical experience in manufacturing and high-scale problem solving, which will be applicable to this particular position. Through past academic and work experiences, Sohaib has developed excellent project management experience. In the future, we will be looking to hire an app development lead. The person needs to have some experience developing apps before, and we look at their past work to make sure that they fit the role. An asset would be to have some electrical and hardware knowledge, as we would need some assistance with this. For this particular role, we'd be looking for students to partner with us rather than be an employee, because at the beginning stages of the company, we can't afford really to pay anyone. Once we're ready to go to market, we will be looking at hiring installation technicians. Obviously, we'll need a lot of help getting these systems running on 100 machines. In order to do so, we will look to hire temporary employees on a part-time basis to install equipment. Now, the reason for this is going to be because initially the installation schedule will be very sporadic and we can't expect to have salary employees. So for our current status and next steps, we're currently in the process of developing our first prototype. We've been working on stationary bikes and trying to alter the magnet and coil configuration to produce electricity. We're also looking into methods of measuring the amount of energy generated and storing this energy. Once we have a working prototype that is close to our intended design specifications, we will seek seed financing. With the help of this financing, we will further refine this product to a system that is similar to what we would see on commercial gyms. In addition, we would also start developing the app at the same time to make sure that we have it ready in time with the product.